Shri Gurubhyo Namaha students, welcome to online class. Today I am going to discuss exercise 6.3 question number 14. Right, now you see question number 14. See what it is given in question number 14. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the given curve at the indicated points. Points is given, you want to find the slope of the tangent and slope of the normal. Using that, you want to find the equation of the tangent and equation of the normal. See, first question you see, y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at 0 comma 5. Given point is 0 comma 5. The curve equation is here. First step, what do you want to do? Yeah, anyone you have to say? Yeah, very good. You want to differentiate the curve equation with respect to x. Now I am going to do that, right? See here, listen carefully, children. You know very well how to differentiate, right? Solution, first part, right? Y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5, right? The given point is 0 comma 5. The next step, what do you want to do? You want to differentiate, that is dy by dx. You are differentiating with respect to x. First, x power 4, how it will come? Anyone, you have to give an answer. Yeah, very good. 4x cube. Next, minus 18x square. Next, plus 26x minus 10 over. I hope you people understood, right? Now I'm going to substitute the point. Point is given as what? 0 comma 5. That I'm going to substitute, right? The next step you see. See, dy by dx at what? 0 comma 5. That means x is equal to 0, y is equal to 5. That is the meaning, right? Now, 4 into 0 cube minus 18 into 0 square plus 26 into 0 minus 10. That means your answer is what? Slope of the tangent is minus 10. Slope of the tangent is minus 10. What are the things we need? Everything we have to find it first. Then we will pass on to the question. What they are expecting, that we will find, right? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent. What it is? Your dy by dx. Slope of the tangent equal to minus 10. Now we need slope of the normal, because in the question they are asking find the equation of the tangent and normal. So slope of the normal also you should find out and keep it ready for that, right? Next, slope of the normal, right? You write it here. Slope of the normal, right? Slope of the normal. What it is? Slope of the normal means first you should see slope of the tangent. You have to write the reciprocal. What is your reciprocal? 1 by minus 1 by 10. What is the reciprocal? Minus 1 by 10. Then you have to change the symbol. Slope of the normal is nothing but minus 1 by slope of the tangent, right? That is the formula. Minus 1 by slope of the tangent. Minus 1 by slope of the tangent. What it is? What it is? What is your slope of the tangent? Minus 10. So minus 1 divided by minus 10, which is equal to 1 by 10. Or in other words, you can say write the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol. Right? the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with the opposite side. Here negative opposite sign. Here it is negative, so it will come under positive. Suppose if it is plus 10, your answer is minus 1 by 10. I hope you people understood, right? Slope of the normal is equal to reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with opposite symbol. With opposite symbol. Or you can apply like this, right? Now, point. Given point is what? 0, comma 5. Given point is 0, comma 5. Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent, right? What it is, I discussed the formula, right? Equation of the tangent equal to y minus y1, or you write equation of the tangent is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? M into x minus x1. Here what is your y1? 5. What is your x1? 0. What it is given, that you consider as x1 comma y1, right? Now y minus 5 equal to slope of the tangent is what? Minus 10. What is your x1? 0, right? Which implies y minus 5 equal to minus 10x, right? Minus 10x. What is your answer here? You shift minus 10x to the left side, make the right hand side become 0, right? See, now here y minus 5 plus 10x equal to 0, right? Then you have to arrange. Therefore, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent is 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0, right? Next we are moving to slow equation of the normal. Equation of the normal, equation of the normal, right, is equal to, that is equation of the normal is the same formula, y minus y1 equal to, if you want you should represent slope of the normal as m1 for your understanding purpose, right? Y minus y1 equal to, or you can write minus 1 by m, right? Minus 1 by m, instead of that you should use m1, right? Into x minus x1. M1 is nothing but what? Minus 1 by m. Minus 1 by m. Slope of the tangent you can represent it by m. Slope of the tangent you represented by m. You write it here. For your understanding purpose, I am doing all these things, right? Now, your m1 is what? 1 by 10, right? Which implies y minus the same point. So y minus 5 equal to 1 by 10 into x minus 0. Now, which implies y minus 5 equal to 1 by 10 into x. Then use 10 and cross multiply, which is equal to, or you write which implies, right? Which implies 10y minus 50 equal to x, right? Equal to x. Finally, what you arrive? Slope of the normal, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal is, I will write it here, child. Equation of the normal is, see, shift these things to opposite side, then x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0, right? Equation of the tangent, you know, equation of the slope we found, right? Now you people understood, right? Shall I move to the next question, children? That is second subdivision. What it is you see? Second subdivision. Second subdivision is y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5 at the point is 1 comma 5. The point is 1 comma 5, right? We will, sorry, the point is 1 comma 3. The point is what? 1 comma 3. Point is 1 comma 3. Now we will pass on to the solution, right? Here I did it elaborately. The next sum, I will move to the solution part directly, right? Solution, second subdivision, right? Second subdivision. What is your y? Y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube. Yeah, tell me what it is next. Plus 13x square, 13x square minus 10x plus 5. The given point is what? 1 comma 3. Point is 1 comma 3. Your derivative, that is y dash, or you can write dy by dx. 4x cube minus 18x square plus 26x minus 10, right? Then you are going to substitute in the place of x as 1. Then y dash at 1 comma 3 is equal to 4 1 cube minus 18 1 square plus 26 into 1 minus 10, right? I hope you people understood. First you did the differentiation, then you are substituting the value of x. Now what is the slope of the tangent? Your dy by dx, that is your m, right? Slope of the tangent. See here, slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent equal to what? Your y dash only, no? Slope of the tangent is nothing but y dash. Y dash at point 1 comma 3 equal to what? You arrive here, you see 4 minus 18 plus 26 minus 10. See 4 plus 26 30 minus 18 minus 10 minus 28. So which is equal to 30 minus 28 equal to 2. So what is your slope? 2. That is your m, right? Your dy by dx. So you will write it here. M equal to 2. Slope of the tangent should be represented by dy by dx as well as m. Now, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent, right? Equation of the tangent equal to what I told you, the formula. Anyone? Yeah, very good. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. M into x minus x1. Now you have to substitute, right? Y minus 3 equal to, your slope is 2, x minus 1. Now, next line. See here, y minus 3 equal to 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Then you have to shift all the things to the left side, which implies y minus 3 minus 2x plus 2 equal to 0. Now, what is your equation? Which implies you have to, throughout you have to divide by -1 because I want the first term should be positive. That should be the x, right? So, 2x minus y plus 3 minus 2 plus 3 minus 2. So, plus 1 equal to 0. Now, what is your equation of the tangent? What is your equation of the tangent? Anyone you have to tell me? 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0, right? Equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. I hope you people understood, right? Say yes or no. Yeah, now I'm going to move to the equation of the normal, right? Before I'm entering the equation of the normal, I should know what is slope of the normal, right? Slope of the normal. Slope of the normal, what I told you, the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with opposite symbol. Here your slope is what? Here you, if you want, you should represent it as m1, right? What is your slope of the tangent? 2. What is the reciprocal of it? 1 by 2. Opposite symbol what? Yeah, minus 1 by 2, right? Now, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal, what it is? Y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. That is slope of the normal. Then y minus 3 equal to minus 1 by 2 into x minus x1. Now I am going to simplify. Y minus 3 equal to minus x by 2 minus, sorry, here I want to write instead of x1, what I want to write? 1, right? Instead of x1, what I want to write? Minus 1, right? Now, x minus, what I want to write here? X minus 1. Now, minus x by 2, minus into minus plus 1 by 2. Now you have to cross multiply because your denominators are same. Directly you should add your numerator. That concept, right? Which implies 2y minus 6 equal to minus x plus 1. Now, which implies 2y minus 6 plus x minus 1 equal to 0, right? The plus 1, when you shift to opposite side, it will act as negative. Now, final answer we are going to write equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal is, equation of the normal is what? X plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, right? X plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0. What is the third subdivision? Anyone? Y is equal to x cube. Easy, no? Y equal to x cube. The given point is 1 comma 1. Third subdivision, right? Already everything I written in the first page. Y is equal to x cube. The point is 1 comma 1. Here when you differentiate, that is your y dash, what you will get? 3x square. 3x square. Y dash can be written as I told you, dy by dx. dy by dx at 1 comma 1. Now what is your dy by dx? 3 into 1 square, which is equal to 3. This is your m, that is slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent. What are the things we need? Everything you have to keep it ready, then you will enter into the solution part, right? Now, see here, slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent. What? Slope of the tangent is 3, right? Slope of the tangent is 3, that is your m. Slope of the normal. What it is? I told you. What I told you? Anyone? Yeah, very good. Minus 1 by 3. How you said? Yeah, the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with opposite symbol. Here positive. So you said that minus 1 by 3, right? You have to be attentive, children. Now, equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent, right? You know very well the formula, right? Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. I told you the slope of the normal, for your convenient you have to represent it as m1, which implies y minus 1 equal to 3 into x minus 1. Now, y minus, here itself you write, y minus 1 equal to 3x minus 3, which implies, yeah, 3x minus y minus 3 is there, minus 1 when you shift to opposite side it will act as plus 1, minus 3 plus 1. So what you will get? Minus 2 equal to 0. This is your answer. What is the slope equation of the tangent? 3x minus y minus 2, right? 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Now, equation of the normal. Equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal. The same way you have to represent y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1, which implies, or you can write it in the next line, y minus 1 equal to, what is your m1? Minus 1 by 3 x minus 1. Now, use 3 and cross multiply. What you will get? Which implies 3y minus 3 equal to minus x plus 1. Minus x plus 1. Right? Now, I'm going to simplify. What is the simplification format for this? You see here, which implies x plus 3y, shift plus 1 to the opposite side, here minus 3, so minus 1, it becomes minus 4 equal to 0, right? What is the equation of the normal? X plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Equation of the normal, I underlined and showed you, right? Equation of the tangent is 3x minus y minus 2 equal to 0. Equation of the normal is x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. The fourth subdivision you people should try, right? Fourth subdivision you people should try. I'm going to move to fifth subdivision, right? Fourth you should do. It is easy for you. Like your third subdivision. What is your fifth subdivision? You see, x is equal to cos t. X is equal to cos t. Y is equal to sin t. X is equal to cos t. Y is equal to sin t. T is equal to pi by 4. What it is given? T is equal to. See here, entirely different it is, right? So, what is your x? Sorry, x is equal to cos t. I told you what variable is exists in the right side. Based on that, you are going to differentiate, right? What is your thing? You see, dx by dt. What is the differentiation of cos t? minus sin t. Now, dy by dt. Up to previous, the right hand side exists as x. Here it is entirely different. So you have to differentiate separately. Finally, you should find out what is your dy by dx. dy by dt equal to, what is the differentiation of sin t? Cos t. What is the differentiation of sin t? Cos t. But I want only dy by dx. So how I'm going to get dy by dx? You see, dy by dt divided by divided by dx by dt, right? dy by dt divided by dx by dt, which is equal to dy by dx. That means your dt dt cancel, right? Which is equal to, what is your dy by dt? Cos t. What is your dy by dt? Cos t divided by minus sin t, divided by minus sin t, which is equal to, what it is, minus cos t, minus cos t. Here what it is given to you, t as pi by 4. So dy by dx at t is equal to pi by 4, which is equal to minus, which is equal to minus cos, sorry, my cot, sorry children, cot t, right? Once again I will write, see here, cos t, right? Cos t divided by minus sin t is nothing but cot t, cot pi by 4. What is cot pi by 4? That is 45 degree. You will get it as minus 1. What it is? This is your m. That is slope of the tangent, right? Equation of the equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. What I told you? This is your slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent is what? Slope of the tangent is dy by dx. Equation of the tangent, that is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Here you want to know what is your x1 and y1. Simple, right? You have to substitute the instead of t pi by 4 in x. X is equal to cos pi by 4. What it is? Which implies x is equal to 1 by root 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2. The same way, y is equal to cos pi, sorry, y is equal to, y is equal to sin t, right? Y is equal to sin t. Y is equal to sin t, that is sin pi by 4, which implies y is equal to 1 by root 2, right? What are the things we want? We found it, right? Now, y minus 1 by root 2, your slope is minus 1, then x minus 1 by root 2. We are going to simplify, right? Root 2, which implies root 2 my y minus 1 by root 2. You are taking LCM in the left hand side. The same way you are going to take the LCM in the right hand side. Minus root 2x minus into minus plus 1 divided by root 2. Root 2 cancel, right? Now we are going to make it as a equation, right? That is very important. You have to listen carefully, children. Yeah. Now, what is your equation? Now you see minus root 2x. I'm going to shift it here, right? Root 2x plus root 2y minus 1. When you shift plus 1, what you will get? Minus 2 equal to 0. If you want, you should divide throughout the equation by root 2, right? Which implies x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0, or otherwise the previous step itself you can exit, right? No problem. This is your equation of the tangent, right? I'm going to underline what it is. Equation of the tangent. Now I'm going to move to equation of the normal, right? Equation of the normal. What is your slope you want to find, right? Slope of normal. Slope of the normal, what I told you, again I am repeating. You write the reciprocal of slope of the tangent with opposite symbol. So what it is? Plus 1, right? Minus 1 divided by minus 1. You get it as plus 1. Slope of the normal is 1. That is your M1. That is your M1. Equation of the normal. Equation of the normal, right? Y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. Now, y minus 1 by root 2 equal to 1 into x minus 1 by root 2. The same thing what we did in the previous, the same for procedure we are going to use it here also, right? Now, root 2y minus 1 divided by root 2 equal to root 2x minus 1 divided by root 2. In between equal, the denominators are same, you are going to cancel, which implies you shift root 2y to opposite side, right? Root 2x minus what? Root 2y. Here one thing you have to listen, minus 1, both are having a same symbol, same coefficient, in between equal. So you have to cancel, right? That cancellation is possible, right? Now, what is your equation? Root 2x minus root 2y equal to 0. Now you have to divide by root 2. What is your equation of the normal now? X minus y equal to 0, right? This is your equation of the normal. I hope you people understood, right? Yeah. Shall I move to the next question, children? Yeah, I'm going to move to next. You have to listen carefully here, right? Find the equation of the tangent line to the curve y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, which is parallel to the line 2x minus y plus 9, and perpendicular line, that is different. First we have to complete parallel, then we will move to the perpendicular, right? You have to listen carefully. Here also, what do you want to do? The first step, you want to do the differentiation, right? Now, what is the differentiation? See here, slope of, that is y is equal to solution. Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7, right? Now, dy by dx is equal to 2x minus 2, which implies m is equal to 2x minus 2. right? Here what it is given, equation of the line, right? Equation of the line. Given equation of the line. What it is? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. That I am going to modify in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. That is the form, right? Y is equal to mx plus c. I am going to modify. Now you see y is equal to 2x plus 9, right? Is of the form what? Is of the form y is equal to mx plus c. This is also your equation of a straight line. Here what is your m? You have to compare your general format to your given format. So what is your m? M equal to 2, right? What is your m? M equal to 2. That is slope of the line. Slope of the line m equal to 2, right? From there, from this I'm getting m equal to 2. So already m equal to 2x minus 2. Now arrived m equal to 2. I'm going to equate, right? See, this is your equation number 1. This is your equation number 2. From 1 and 2, what you arrive? From 1 and 2, what? Anyone, you have to participate, right? Yeah, very good. 2x minus 2 equal to what? 2x minus 2 equal to 2. That's it, right? 2 from 1 and 2. 2x minus 2 equal to 2, which implies 2x equal to 4, which implies x is equal to 2, which implies x is equal to 2. Now, I want y, right? Then you substitute in the given curve equation, right? What is your y? Y is equal to x square minus 2x plus 7. This you know, the when you differentiate, the constant will act as 0, right? Substitute x is equal to 2. Substitute x is equal to 2. What is your y now? Y is equal to 2 square minus 2 square minus 2 into 2 plus 7, right? 2 square you know 4. So 4 minus 4 cancel, which is equal to 7. You got it as what? Slope also you arrived. Slope also you got. Point also got. You want to find equation of the tangent. Equation of the tangent. One more thing I want to recall you. The slope of the tangent is, sorry, the tangent is parallel. That is given. That's why you are equating 1 and 2, right? Here you have to write given, give how it is equal. That I want to give a reason to you children. Just I told you, no, equate. See, given the line is, that is tangent is parallel. Tangent is parallel means what? Slopes are equal. Given tangent is given tangent is parallel, right? Given tangent is parallel, so slopes are, which implies slopes are equal. That I want to include here. Slopes are equal. Then you are comparing 1 and 2. That's why you are comparing 1 and 2, right? Now you know x and y. Slope also you know. So what you are going to find? Equation of the what? Equation of the line, right? Equation of the line. Now you see the point on the given curve. The point. What are the points? The point 2 comma 7. The point is 2 comma 7, at which the tangent is parallel to the given line. At which the tangent is parallel to the given line, right? Parallel to the given line. Parallel to the given line. Which line it is? Given line as 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0. Now, equation of the tangent is what? Y minus y1, on and off. You have to recall the formula, children. Y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1, right? What is your slope here? 2. What is your point? Y1 7, x1 2. That you are going to substitute. Y minus 7 equal to 2 into x minus 2, right? 2 into x minus 2. Y minus 7 equal to 2x minus 4. Now, 2x minus y, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. Yeah, the previous class I discussed, right? Equation of the tangent, we found it as 2x what? 2x minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. The continuation I am going to do, right? The equation, see, the equation, yeah children, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent, equation of the tangent line to the given curve, to the given curve which is parallel, to the line. What it is given in your question? 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0 is what we found here, right? What we found? 2x, yeah, tell me, minus y plus 3 equal to 0. We found that only, no? I will show you that. You see, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0, right, children? So, the lines are parallel. You know the condition, no? A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2. Here also the same. A1 is 2, A2 is 2. 2 by 2, 1. B1 is minus 1, B2 is minus 1. So, that is also 1. The constant is not equal. C1 by C2 is not equal. So, what we arrived, the result is correct. Right? Which you know, based on that, you should apply that concept and check your result. Right? Now I am going to move to the second one. What it is given in the second part, you see, perpendicular to the line, right? Perpendicular. First you should modify the given equation in terms of y is equal to mx plus c, right? The given second part, the given equation of a line is what? 5y minus 15x equal to 13. That I am going to write it in the form of y is equal to mx plus c. So how I am going to write, you see, y is equal to, that is 5y equal to 15x plus 13. Now, which implies y is equal to 15 by 5 into x plus 13 by 5. Now you cancel. Now what is your slope? Yeah, anyone you tell me. Slope of a line is, slope of the line is what? Yeah, 3. Slope of the line is 3. But here it is given as it is perpendicular, right? Given the tangent, given the tangent is perpendicular to the line, perpendicular to the line. Which line? 5y minus 15 plus 13 equal to 0, right? Which plus, not plus 13, equal to, sorry, equal to 13. 5y minus 15 equal to 13, right? Then the slope of the tangent is what? Yeah, anyone, because it is perpendicular. I said perpendicular means you have to write the reciprocal with the negative symbol, right? Perpendicular. Then the slope of the tangent is slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent, right? Slope of the tangent is what here? Anyone? Yeah, very good. The reciprocal of the number with a negative symbol, right? See, because it is given as the tangent is perpendicular. That word is important. Perpendicular. The line and this line are perpendicular. That means what is the slope? The reciprocal of the number with an opposite symbol, right? Now we will pass on to how to, you have to find the value of x and y, right? After that we should enter in the x and y is given. No, you want to find what is your slope. Already the equation, curve equation is what? We know that, right? Y is equal to, curve equation is what? Y is equal to this one, you are going to equate, right? Y is equal to, see here, y, what is that? Y is equal to, right? Now you see y equal to, what equation is given to you? X square minus 2x plus 7. Your dy by dx is nothing but 2x minus 2. Dy by dx is nothing but 2x minus 2. Now you are going to equate, right? Why you are going to equate? Anyone, you tell me. Because 2x minus 2 equal to, the slopes are, the tangents are parallel, which is parallel and perpendicular. Using that you are finding the slope and you are going to, slope is what here? This is your m. This is also, it represented your m. So you are going to equate your dy by dx, right? 2x minus 2 equal to minus 1 by 3, right? Now what is your x? 2x equal to minus 1 by 3 plus 2, right? Which is equal to 5 by 3. You have to take a reciprocal. 3 2s are 6, right? Now what is your x? 2x equal to 5 by 3. X is equal to what? X is equal to 5 by 6. X is equal to 5 by 6. Substitute x is equal to 5 by 6 in first equation. This is your equation number 1 for your understanding, right? Now y is equal to 5 by 6 the whole square minus 2 into 5 by 6 plus 7, which is equal to 25 by 36 minus 10 by 6 plus 7, which is equal to, you have to take a LCM, that is 36, 25 minus 60 plus 7 into 36. When you multiply, you have to be very careful, children. 7 into 36. 7 6 are 42, remaining 4. 7 3s are 21. So 252, right? 252. This is your x. Now we want to find the value of y, right? See here. Y is equal to y equal to, see, 25 plus 252, that is 277. 277 minus 60 divided by 36, which is equal to 217 by 36. 217 by 36. Now we want to find the equation, right? The point, what point you found? 5 by 6, comma 217 by 36, at which the tangent is perpendicular. The tangent is what? Perpendicular. Perpendicular, and the equation perpendicular, and the equation of the tangent is equation of the tangent, right? Equation of the tangent, what it is? Y minus y1. Straight away I'm going to substitute, right? 217 divided by 36 equal to, what is your slope we found? Minus 1 by 3 into x minus 5 by 6, right? X minus 5 by 6. Now we are going to simplify, right? Y minus 217 divided by 36 equal to minus x by 3 plus 5 by 18. 5 by 18. Now you have to simplify. 36 is your LCM, right? That simplification you have to do. I'm going to give an answer straight away, right? Which implies what? 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0, right? I will explain how to do that simplification. You have to do yourself, right? 36 you have to take LCM. 36y minus 217. Then how many times 3 appear in 36? 12 times, so 12x. How many times 18 appear in 36? 2 times, so 10. 5 into 2, 10. Then you have to shift the term. You arrived the result as 12x plus 36y minus 227. This is your answer. What I underlined, that is your answer, right? Therefore, you have to write which is perpendicular to that, right? Now I'll move to the next question, right, children? Slope of the tangent to the curve, right? Slope of the tangent to the curve. If you want, I will complete the statement here. The previous sum statement I will complete here, right? For your understanding purpose. The equation of the line, tangent line. Equation of the tangent line. Equation of the tangent line to the curve which is perpendicular, to the line which is perpendicular to the line. What line it is? 5x minus what? 5y minus 15x equal to 13 is what you found here. You see 12, 36, or you write 12x, however you like. 12x plus 36y minus 227 equal to 0. Right? Like that you have to end up. For your purpose I wrote it here. Right? Next question you see. Show that the tangent to the curve y equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. You want to say the lines are parallel. Parallel means the slopes are equal, right? The slopes are equal. For this, what you want to do? You are going to differentiate, right? What is your given equation? You see, given y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. Y dash equal to 21x square. Y dash equal to 21x square. Slope of the tangent, it is given to you. What it is given? X is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 is given. That point you are going to substitute in the derivative. Right, children? Yeah. The point is given. You want to find the thing. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to 2 is dy by dx. Dy by dx at x is equal to 2, which is equal to what you found there? Yeah, tell me, anyone? 21x square. So 21 into 2 square, which is equal to 84. Next, slope of the tangent. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2. Slope of the tangent at x is equal to minus 2. Here dy by dx, what? At x is equal to minus 2, which is equal to 21 into minus 2, the whole square, which is equal to 84. Now you see the slopes are equal. If the slopes are equal, what is your conclusion? The tangents are parallel. The tangents are parallel. See here, the slope of the tangents, slope of the tangents, slope of the tangents at the point, slope of the tangent at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are equal, right? Slope of the tangent where x at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are equal. Therefore, the two tangents are parallel. Therefore, the two tangents are parallel. Right? Again, I will explain to you, children. Listen carefully. See here. From the beginning, right? Slowly I will show to you. You people should listen. Y is equal to x power 4 minus 6x cube plus 13x square minus 10x plus 5. Dy by dx equal to, it is given to you. The point also given, right? That you substitute and found that minus 10. That is your slope of the tangent. Now, using that we are finding slope of the normal, right? What is your slope of the normal you found? You see, I told you the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol. So you arrived 1 by 10. Equation of the tangent y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. Then you arrived equation of the tangent is 10x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. Equation of the normal y minus y1 equal to m1 into x minus x1. You have to substitute, cross multiply, you arrived x minus 10y plus 50 equal to 0. The next also the same. You are differentiating, slope of the tangent is 2, equation of the tangent you found, that is 2x minus y plus 1 equal to 0. Slope of the normal, the reciprocal of the slope of the tangent with the opposite symbol. Then you arrived slope of the normal is x plus 2y minus 7 equal to 0, y equal to x cube, 3x square your differentiation part. You substitute the value as 1. The slope of the tangent is 3. Slope of the normal is minus 1 by 3. Equation of the tangent you found, right? Equation of the tangent you found, equation of the normal, right? Now x is equal to, see, x is equal to cos t dx by dt is nothing but minus sin t. Dy by dt equal to cos t. Now you see, dy by cos t, y is equal to sin t. T is equal to, you wrote it as what? T is equal to pi by 4. You arrived y equal to 1 by root 2, x is equal to 1 by root 2, slope is minus 1, equation of the tangent, you substitute and you cross multiply, you arrived x plus y minus root 2 equal to 0, slope of the normal 1, slope equation of the normal, you arrived x minus y equal to 0. Now the next question is, find the equation of the tangent line to the curve which is parallel and perpendicular, right? First, dy by dx, slope, equation of the line is given, that you modified in terms of y equal to mx plus c. The tangent is parallel, it is given, so slopes are equal. Slope of the line is 2, you are equating 1 and 2, x is equal to 2, y equal to 7. The point 2 comma 7 at the tangent is parallel to the given line. Equation of the tangent you found, y minus 7 equal to, you arrived the result as 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. The continuation, the equation of the tangent line to the given curve which is parallel to the line, 2x minus y plus 9 equal to 0, 2x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. The given equation of the line is 5y minus 15. That part is over. The second part you are doing, right? The equation of the line is given, that you modified in terms of y is equal to mx plus c. You arrived slope as 3. Here it is given as perpendicular, right? What it is given? Perpendicular. So perpendicular means write the reciprocal with the negative opposite symbol. So minus 1 by 3. Here you are equating dy by dx, you got it as 2x minus 2, that is your slope. Here your slope is minus 1 by 3. Equate and you arrived the result as x is equal to 5 by 6, y is equal to 217 by 36. Then the tangent is perpendicular and the equation of the tangent, you arrived the result as 12x plus 36y minus 227, right? Now equation of the tangent line to the curve which is perpendicular to the line is given line 5y minus 15x equal to 13. You found the result as 12x plus 30y 36y minus 227. Now you want to prove the tangents are parallel. Y is equal to 7x cube plus 11. You are differentiating 21x square. Substituting the value of x as 2, you arrived 84. Again you are substituting the value of x is equal to minus 2. Your result is 84. The slope of the tangent at the point x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are equal. Therefore, your conclusion is the tangents are parallel. Okay, thank you, children. I'll continue tomorrow, right? You have to go through. If you have any doubt, you should ask me. I will discuss in the next class, right?